Okay, so here's our apartment. We live on the 2nd floor. Just go across the street now. Just gonna run across. The door. We are this one. We're one floor up. Here we go, the entrance to our palace. Ooh. There's Francesca's room, but she's sleeping right now or something, so we won't bother her. Here's our kitchen. It's really clean right now. This is really rare.
Very rare.
Our balcony. Kim is trying to feed birds with her stale bread. Balcony. Ooh. Here's the kitchen. Oddly pretty clean. This never happens. The sink is pretty much empty. This is really shocking. It's usually like completely full, like up to here with dishes. Disgusting, unsanitary. Little hallway. Here's mine, Sabrina and Kim's room. Our lovely desks. Ooh, look, those are the flowers from Novak. See? Ooh. There's Sabrina's bed, and my bed, and Kim's bed, and our lovely closets. I know you really want to see this. My clothes. Ooh. Here, Sarah. This is where we keep our snacks, and there are the Polly Pocket snacks. We've been rationing them. Hello. Next room. The slobs are out for the weekend, left their mess. There's the computer I call you using Skype from. Ooh. Stacy and Carly's room. It's really, really messy. There you go. One of the bathrooms. Ooh. Bathroom. Ooh. Here's our washing machine. Yes, shocking. I do laundry. Shower. Here's another bathroom. There's my stuff. Ooh. This is our living room / laundry room. There's Kim doing her assignments. See, we do homework. Here's our balcony. And there's the Russian church that we live next to. This is like the wireless area, but we have no computers to use right now, so that's useless. Sarah, Angel, and Taryn's room. And there's another entrance into the apartment. And sometimes over there's a guy playing violin at the church. And that's about it. There's a woman that walks her cat around here, supposedly, but I haven't seen her. Oh, there's someone. So yeah, it's kind of empty right now, and clean, which is rare. And that is our apartment.